How to disable background apps to speed up your PC. So if you want to disable background apps to speed up your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search. And here you need to search for system configuration. After that, you need to click on it. Once you're on this page, you may see this type of interface. You just have to click on selective startup. And here you'll see the option of load startup items or system services or use original boot configuration. So you just have to uncheck this box, then go with the services section. And here there are services which are running in the background which can slow down your PC. But some of the services are Microsoft corporations because these are important and necessities for your PC. We just have to select hide all Microsoft services. Now these services which you can disable if you want to. But make sure that you have not disabled any drivers here. And once you've disabled or once you've stopped any service, it will help you boost your speed. So I'll just simply go with the Google Update service, just uncheck that or disable that, then click on apply, which will be on the bottom, and it will help you stop background services. After that, you can also go with the startup tab, and here you can go with open task manager, and you'll get this kind of interface, and you will see the apps which have access to your startup. So if you might see that the app is enabled, you can just simply go and disable it if you don't want. So whenever your system will restart it or power on, these apps might have been enabled or active in the background. So you can easily disable which one that you want to have in the background and disable all of the other ones. Like I'll just simply go with Microsoft OneDrive, right click on it, disable. And I'll go with this one as well. I'll disable it because I don't use that application as much. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.